Right, yeah. So how can you monetize being a public figure? Okay, yeah. So being a public figure, remember, so being a public figure is about authority. Being a public figure is about having a strong following, okay? And being a person who's authentic, meaning you have values, right? You live your values, okay? And you spread that powerful message. I love to work with people who have great values, being authentic, transparent, right? Projects that uplift humanity, okay? And all right, so what does this mean? It means that you stand out as the point of reference in your niche or in your industry. You've probably had many, many articles written about you. You probably have a verified blue tick on your social media accounts, okay? You've probably been on many different podcasts, yeah? People wanting to interview you, wanting to seek your guidance, seek your counsel. Okay, so now let's say that you're a coach. Now, being a public figure with coaching, for example, then allows you to really begin to select the people that you want to work with. Not only that, because you're now in demand and give outstanding value. So being a public figure is about, that value of giving value, right, is super important, because at the end of the day, yes, now you can charge more for your service. Yes, it means that you'll be asked to speak on more stages, which is monetizing. Okay, you're getting paid for it. It means that if you have a book, programs, that now you can sell them on the back of that, and you'll probably sell a lot more. Okay, but this is how you monetize it. But here's the thing, it's all about value. At the end of the day, being a public figure is not about milking it and giving nothing in return. Being a public figure is about, impacting people's lives in a positive way. So the people in your niche or in your industry, you're a leader now, right? You're a recognized leader. You're a verified leader. And leaders don't leave men or women on the field, right? So what I'm saying is that you need to live up to your responsibility and have the back of the people that are investing in you, right? So I think the question is more about that, right? It's more about value, authenticity, transparency. Doesn't mean that you have to be perfect, by the way, right? But at least in what you do, your intention is to solve problems for your audience. Your intention is to give them peace of mind, right? Fulfillment for you, for them, right? Giving back, right? So these are really powerful, important values which a leader has to have. And also, I've mentioned there are different ways that it can be monetized. Okay, all right, thank you. But yeah, before I go with that one, I just want to say that, I can't stress enough, responsibility is super important, and please, remember who put you there. Never forget where you're from. Don't forget the people who supported you to get to where you are, and make sure that you give something of value back. Great value. Thank you.